Are you over 50 and looking to supercharge your mornings? Simple changes to your breakfast can boost your heart health, protect your bones, and support your brain. These 5 breakfast picks are not just delicious, they're backed by science and tailored to meet the unique health needs of women over 50. Welcome to my channel. I am a board-certified physician in physical medicine and rehabilitation and lifestyle medicine, and I share evidence-based content to help women over 50 achieve healthy aging and longevity. If you like this type of content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Consult with your physician before making any changes to your health. Let's start with a classic, oatmeal. Oatmeal is rich in soluble fiber, particularly beta-glucan, which helps lower cholesterol levels essential for a healthy heart. Add in a handful of colorful berries like blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries. They're bursting with antioxidants that protect our cells from damage. Sprinkle on some nuts like walnuts or almonds for healthy fats and more fiber. This combination helps keep your blood sugar levels stable and prevents low energy in the middle of the morning. Think of this breakfast as a triple threat: heart-healthy fiber from the oatmeal, antioxidant power from the berries, and sustained energy from the nuts. It's a simple, delicious way to start your day on the right track. For the second breakfast option, let's talk about Greek yogurt. It's a protein powerhouse, crucial for maintaining muscle mass as we age. Choose Greek yogurt over regular yogurt for a bigger protein punch per serving. Sprinkle in some flax seeds for a boost of omega-3 fatty acids, essential for heart, brain, and joint health. Flax seeds also contain lignans, which may have protective effects against certain types of cancer. Greek yogurt is a natural source of probiotics, important for the digestive system. Add some fresh fruit for natural sweetness and a boost of vitamins and minerals. This breakfast combination supports your muscles, heart, gut, and overall health. A third breakfast option is avocado toast on whole grain bread. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which support heart health by improving cholesterol levels and keeping blood vessels functioning properly. Choose whole grain bread for this heart-healthy breakfast, packed with fiber essential for digestive health and regulating blood sugar levels. The combination of healthy fats from the avocado and fiber from the whole grain bread makes this breakfast incredibly satisfying. You'll feel full and energized for hours without blood sugar spikes and crashes. For an extra flavor boost, try adding a sprinkle of red pepper flakes or a drizzle of olive oil. Avocado toast is a delicious and versatile breakfast option. The fourth healthy breakfast option is chia seed pudding with almond milk and berries. Chia seeds are nutritional powerhouses packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein. Omega-3s benefit heart health, and chia seeds are a great plant-based source. Fiber aids in digestion and helps us feel full and satisfied, preventing overeating. Protein is crucial for maintaining muscle mass and keeping energy levels stable. Combine chia seeds with almond milk for a low-calorie alternative to dairy. Let it sit in the refrigerator overnight for a creamy pudding-like breakfast. Top it off with fresh berries for added sweetness, antioxidants, and a burst of flavor. This breakfast is not only good for you, but also incredibly easy to prepare. The fifth healthy breakfast option is tofu scramble with spinach and tomatoes. Tofu is a wonderful source of plant-based protein, beneficial for women over 50. It contains compounds that may help balance hormones during menopause. Spinach is loaded with iron and calcium, crucial for carrying oxygen and maintaining strong bones. Incorporate tomatoes rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant linked to a reduced risk of chronic diseases. This tofu scramble is a protein powerhouse and a delicious and healthy way to start your day. It's a great option for those looking for plant-based breakfast alternatives. And there you have it. 5 breakfast picks that can truly make a difference in your health and well-being as you embrace life after 50. Each of these choices is about fueling your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more evidence-based content to help you achieve healthy aging and longevity.